Did the initial test fit. Trying to get that LS engine in here. Had to cut off this bracket. And then the original engine mounts were bolted and riveted, so I just cut the one rivet, unbolted it. So here's our engine mount, the original one anyway. This is the one from the LS. So it bolts on the engine. Like this. Idea that I have is take this piece, cut this rubber off, drill some holes, and bolt it on, kind of like that, onto this piece. I'll also have to slide these in the frame to the right position, drill new holes, and bolt it in. Otherwise, I think that would work. This rubber is for a much heavier engine, so I don't see why it wouldn't hold up. And they're replaceable if I ever needed to.